Hello everyone, my name is Ojima Ocheni. It's a pleasure to present this project on behalf of my team titled Tactile Experience, an Astronomy Development Tool for the Blind and Visually Impaired, also known as AstroTac. This project took place at the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Nsukka is a town in Enugu State, located in southeastern Nigeria. Now let's get straight to the context of this project. It aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which emphasize the need for inclusive education. Studies have shown significant inequality in educational opportunities for young people with visual impairments in developing countries across Africa. However, we believe people with disabilities, including visual impairments, have the potential to contribute meaningfully to science, technology, and research if given the right opportunities. The participants in this project lacked access to tactile materials related to astronomy and space science, which meant they had no opportunity to learn about this subject. The AstroTag team made it our responsibility to change that, to provide them with the tools and knowledge they need. The AstroTag project aimed to increase participants' knowledge of astronomy and STEM activities. It engaged 125 participants, mainly undergraduate and postgraduate students with special needs. We carried out several activities, including hands on sessions using tactile materials to explore topics like the solar system, galaxies, the moon, telescopes, black holes, and solar activities. We sourced local materials like soccer balls, ropes, boards, and even cardboards to create teaching aids. We also used 3D printed models to represent different types of galaxies. We introduced a prototype of a radio telescope made at the Center for Basic Space Science and Astronomy on Nsukka. In addition to the hands-on session, live talks and lectures were delivered by team members and volunteers. Braille documents were provided to participants who could read them. To further engage participants, we held a quiz competition, and the winner was a female undergrad student. This slide has images from the workshop and lectures that were given. Because of the number of participants we had, we decided to share them into different groups with two volunteers, a team member, and a facilitator to help with the visually impaired individuals. To measure the impact of the workshop, we conducted pre and post assessments along with interviews. The results showed a 47% increase in knowledge about astronomy and space science among participants and a 50% rise in their interest in STEM. Many participants requested that the workshop be held again. We also received interest in collaborations from institutes across Nigeria and abroad, creating valuable connections for future partnerships. After successfully showing people with special needs and visual impairments that they can be more involved in STEM, you might ask, what's next? Well, we plan to expand this project to more universities and institutes across Nigeria and beyond through partnerships and collaborations. We also intend to work with experts in special education and STEM to refine our workshop materials and improve learning experiences. We are definitely open to partnerships with institutions interested in developing hands-on material using locally available resources. Please feel free to reach out if you'd like to collaborate, support our efforts, or learn more. Let's work together to ensure that astronomy and STEM are accessible to everyone. Thank you for your time.